Yeah, my butt's too big. That wasn't gonna work. Happy Vlogmas! So I know I said that I wanted to do full-on reviews for the Fabfitfun stuff, but I'm going to actually skip that this month. We are just going to be doing an unboxing, briefly discussing the items that are in here because A, there was a lot of skincare options. There's that. Skincare does take a little longer to accurately review, which I don't mind doing, but I thought for the sake of Vlogmas that I would like this video to be up a little sooner than, you know, after Christmas. If there is a skincare item in here that you want a review on, let me know down in the box below, and you know, that place where you can type stuff, words, and then I will make that happen. The other thing is I kind of use the Fabfitfun as part of my method of Christmas shopping this year because one, COVID, I don't really want to go anywhere, and two, Walmart burned down. So I took the opportunity to pick out some nice things for people I had to Christmas shop for. I don't want to be, you know, gunking up and touching other people's stuff. So we're just gonna have a quick little look-see here. I will not be specifying what items are mine and what are for other people, just in case said people are watching said video. The below the belt card holder, it would fit pretty much everywhere. Got a tiny little zipper, zipper. Skincare, so much fucking skincare. We'll start with the hair thing. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be for what the price said. I can't even remember what the price said it was. Hello, welcome to the worst unboxing video you've ever watched for Fabfitfun. DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo. It is in a very small bottle. I kind of just want to, let's see. Oh, it actually smells nice. Next up, that is the Probiotic Skincare by Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Balm. Oh, this I am gonna open because this is mine. I will say that for sure. This is for moi, so I'm going to be touching this. This is supposed to be an eye brightener. What the heck is this? Oh, yeah, I can smell it. So this is not cooling in that it will, like, you know, decrease inflammation. It's actually mentholated, so it feels cool but is not cooling. Also, my lighting's shit today because it is just that kind of day. I don't know how well you can see that, but it also kind of looks like a highlighter. I don't really know. This might be nice to use in like the summertime, but I don't. And it won't brighten in the sense that it will like cancel out any blue. It literally will brighten because it is a shimmery highlighter. It's a minty highlighter is what it is. Also, the Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. I'm trying to keep things a mystery here, so this is going to stay in the box. It's a liquid eyeliner. Nothing horribly exciting. Next up, the Pore Purifying Cleanser from Dr. Brandt. This is with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So very good for acne prone skin. Very, very good for cleaning out pores. And then the Algenist. This is very expensive. I think the price for this, the original price for this eye balm was like $109. I currently use the $16 L'Oreal one. It isn't a very nice fogged glass little bottle, but it is also just an eye cream. As an esthetician, I have my opinions on eye cream. Obviously, none of us really agree on it. None of us can agree. We don't have the same feelings across the board about eye creams and eye gels. I personally am one of the ones that enjoys an eye cream. I see the benefit in it. I do understand that there is a difference in formula with eye cream, eye gels versus face cream, face gels, and for a reason, because the skin is more sensitive. Do I think that any eye cream does such a good job and makes such a dramatic difference that it is worth the fucking price tags that they're at? No, not a single eye cream is worth the price point. Like, I'd say the majority of eye creams, for what they do and all of their across the board level of effectiveness, is probably worth about $5 to $10, and nobody should be paying more than that for an eye cream. And the last two things in my box, I got the Daily Concepts dry brush. Again, keeping the mystery going. We're keeping it in the box. I'm not going to touch it. Everyone can use a dry brush. Again, esthetician, skincare specialist can confirm dry brushes, good. The last thing, whoa, silica, is silica packs. It's great, big, cushy, floofy fucking thing. This is a robe. Soft. It feels like a teddy bear. It's a giant blanket. I'm a fan. Yay! So that is that. Leave down in the comments what you got in your box if you get this fucking thing. Thanks Fabfitfun for the convenient Christmas shopping this year. Leave it a thumbs up if you liked it, I guess, or down if you didn't. I don't know. I'm not here to tell you what to do. Also, if you would like to subscribe, then you know where the button is, I'm sure. Can I just say I'm so happy I didn't get those hideous fucking Kate Spade socks. Did anybody else get those? Because those were even the pictures kind of like, ugh. You know? Thanks, cool. It's Vlogmas. We'll see you tomorrow, I hope.